am Dr. Neil Trivedi, Senior Consultant Urologist at KIMS Hospitals. Today I am going to talk about erectile dysfunction caused by diabetes mellitus and the treatment of it. Erectile dysfunction is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection satisfactory for sexual intercourse. Now, does diabetes cause erectile dysfunction? Yes, it very much causes erectile dysfunction, and it is 3 times more common in diabetics to have erectile dysfunction than the general population. Diabetes has got multiple reasons by how it causes the erectile dysfunction, like it affects the vessels, or which is called as vasculopathy, whereby the blood supply to the penis will be less and therefore causing erectile dysfunction. Psychological factors are also very important as in the other patients, and neuropathy. Neuropathy is that it affects the nerves. By that, the sensation which is carried from the penis resulting in intercourse will be interfered, and therefore it will result in erectile dysfunction. Now I will be talking about the treatment of erectile dysfunction due to diabetes mellitus. As in any erectile dysfunction, first we have to gather a history of the erectile dysfunction regarding its duration and try to ascertain the cause, that why the erectile dysfunction is happening. Most of the times the result and main cause would be psychogenic, and psychogenic treatment can be treated with counseling and medications. Now coming to diabetes, we need to find out what are the risk factors along with diabetes itself that are causing to erectile dysfunction, and therefore we can correct those risk factors, especially hypertension and hyperlipidemia, that is increase in lipids, basically known as cholesterol, and other factors like smoking, obesity. So the treatment of erectile dysfunction in diabetes is multifactorial. So we have to see the presence of the factors which I already mentioned, and this need to be corrected, and therefore the erectile dysfunction can also be treated. To summarize, diabetic ED is difficult to treat, and therefore it is very important to prevent diabetic ED. Also, because of the increasing prevalence of diabetes mellitus, there is an increased incidence of ED related to diabetes mellitus. As I said earlier, it is multifactorial, and there are so many factors involved in the causation of the ED related to diabetes mellitus. We can definitely focus more on prevention, which is the best method, because diabetes related ED is more difficult to treat and also sometimes refractory to treatment. So it is important to have a good lifestyle with regular exercise. Try to have a good glycemic control, that is control of your blood sugar levels, and if you have associated factors like hypertension, raised cholesterol, these should be well controlled. So this can be done with regular exercise and regular medication and following your doctor's advice religiously, so that the ED which is related to diabetes can be easily prevented, because the treatment is very difficult. Why this happens is diabetes is also known as the silent killer, and therefore the blood sugar levels may be very high without even the patient realizing that the blood sugar has risen. By the time lot of damage could be done. Therefore it is also important to have regular checkups. Also, I would like to summarize what are the treatments which are given for the erectile dysfunction, especially in diabetes. The first is, most of the patients, 90%, would definitely respond to PDE5 inhibitors known as sildenafil and other drugs of the same type. Second is intraurethral prostaglandin. Third is injection into the cavernosa. The fourth and the last would be, in all refractory cases which do not respond to the above methods, they may require penile implants. So as a closing statement, it would be very important to note that the ED should better be prevented rather than allowing it to go to treatment stage. If you have any queries regarding erectile dysfunction or any urology issues, then you can reach out to me on MFine app.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.